Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, IGTV, YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. So today, I wanted to make another video, a similar topic to a video I put out a while back, but it didn't gain that much traction. So I'm basically kind of redoing it, and this is in regards to a pretty unique technique that I've actually started to implement, and there's other videos out there about it, but it's what I would consider credit data mining. And so essentially it's, when you have co-branded credit products, let's say a major company collaborates with a bank and they issue co-branded cards. And so basically how this works, it's a way of getting into the system without, I'm not going to say without a credit check, but there's additional data that's being utilized in that credit decision. So what happens, when you shop at major stores, these these major institutions are mining your data. So they know what types of purchase you make, when you make them, the time of day that you go shopping, the locations where you shop at. They even, know which, credit card processors that you're using when you make your payments. So they're mining all of this data so that they can have a competitive advantage, versus other companies. So, they're competing for your business. And so they're starting to utilize a lot more data sources. And so the example that I'm going to give, because it's one that I've personally gone through, and that's, utilizing Amazon, right? So Amazon has they work with several different banks. So, they work with Synchrony, Chase, and American Express, as far as I know. And so basically one of the ways where you can essentially increase your chances of getting approved with their credit products, starting at the bottom, you're going to open up a Amazon store card, and this is a personal card. There's two versions of it. There's a secured version, and then there's an unsecured version. So generally, if you apply for the unsecured version and you don't get approved, then they'll usually direct you to the secured version. One little caveat: even the secured version, I have data points with other clients where they've been denied even the secured card. So you do have to meet, a minimum threshold, and likely this isn't going to be your first card that you're applying for. So, you might want to have a little bit of history. I would recommend, to have some level of confidence when you apply for the store card. If you're, I would say at least a 620, maybe even a 640 minimum, even for the secure card, just to be on the safe side. So this is the lowest, I guess, credit product in terms of, difficulty as far as the underwriting. So it's going to be the easiest for you to get approved for. And then what you can do is the next level up from here, and this is optional. So Chase does have a Amazon Visa, but depending on how many new accounts you have and inquiries, it's not going to be an option for everyone. So I don't typically recommend it unless you're under that Chase 524 rule. But then the next step up from there, they have an American Express business credit card. So the key to this, so you need an EIN, to apply for this, right? And what happens is when you apply through the American Express website, they redirect you to the Amazon website where you have to log into your Amazon business account. So the key is already having an Amazon business account. Just how you might have a regular Amazon personal account that you order and shop from. create an Amazon business account, because then therefore, they already have your business information. They have your EIN. I think you might put your DUNS number. I forget. They'll have your business address and everything. So your information's already in their system before you even apply. So if you do this first, get the store card, open up a business account, have your business information in. If you're already with Amex, then you could just apply for that through. If you're an existing member, apply for that. So you're in Amazon already, right? You have several data points for that. They have whatever transaction history from your store card. And then what you would do is you apply through the American Express website. It'll redirect you to Amazon. You sign into your business account and then you apply from there. So, you have data in Amazon, you have data in American Express. And so, let's say you're approved for that. So there's two options. There's the regular version, which is 3% cash back on Amazon purchases, or 60-day terms with 0% interest. Then if you have a Prime membership, it's 90-day terms or 5% cash back on Amazon purchases. So then once you do that, if you get approved for either one of these, then what you can do is Amazon has a corporate program with Synchrony Bank on the business side. So they have a corporate revolving line and a corporate net 55. So what you can do after you've done these several steps, got the store card, then you got the open up a business account, apply for the American Express business account, get approved. Then what you can do is apply for the corporate account. So one of the things with that, the corporate Amex pulls Experian Business. So what you want to do is make sure you have some data already reporting, whether that's some net vendors or other business credit cards. You want to make sure that you have at least, I would say, a minimum of 2 trades posted on your Experian Business. You want to be somewhere like around like a 49 or higher before you apply for the net 55. Because if you apply, without having any data populated, you're probably going to get denied. They do have a PG and a non-PG for the net 55 or the corporate account, but you have to make sure if you don't want a PG, do not check the box, leave it empty. And so essentially, this is how it works with regard to Amazon, just building upon these different levels. And like I said, you don't necessarily have to have, a great personal credit to, be able to build these accounts. If you do this data mining technique, that's definitely a way for you to get in the door and get funding through all the different branches and banks that Amazon have. So that's all I wanted to share for this video. If you're interested, you can email us at info@creditplug. We can walk you through. We also offer a program where we show you how to build our primary accounts for both personal and business. Until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.